Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Introduce, I'm Anissa Ramdhani.
And I'm Dilla.
First of all, we would like to thank to Sir Haryadi Syam SPDMPD for giving us the opportunity to make a video to fulfill the assignment of the advanced speaking course.
Namely, making 20 questions with 3 different topics, namely politics, bully, and college environment. I took the topic of politics in Southeast Sulawesi, especially Kolaka district. The first question is, how was the recent election process in Kolaka?
The election process was well organized and peaceful, but the competition between candidates was highly intense.
How did the people of Kolaka react to the result of the election?
Many people support the result, but some expressed disappointment because their preferred candidate did not win.
How are Amril and Lulung campaign strategies different from Jayadin and Deni?
Amri and Lulung focus on modernizing infrastructure and digital innovation, while Jayadin and Deni prioritized maintaining stability and improving traditional sector like agriculture.
How do voters choose between the two political groups in Kolaka?
Voters usually consider the candidates' track records, their promises, and their ability to connect with the community.
How did social media influence the election in Kolaka?
Social media was a key platform for sharing campaign updates, debates, and even rumors, which influenced public opinion significantly.
How do people view the leadership style of Amri and Lulung?
Amri might be seen as a collaborative leader focusing on community involvement, while Lulung could be perceived as a more authoritative figure and emphasizing decisive action.
How do people view the leadership style of Jayadin and Deni?
People view Muhammad Jayadin and Deni Germanto leadership style in Kolaka positively, as they had gained the support of influential local figures, including the former Vice Bupati of Kolaka and political leaders.
How did the election campaigns impact daily life in Kolaka?
Campaign activities create excitement but also cause some disruption, like traffic jams and noise in public areas.
How does the Bramal pair envision Kolaka in the future?
They envision Kolaka as a far advanced and superior region, according to the vision that the Amri and Lulung couple expressed during the campaign.
How do Jayadin and Deni plan to address economic challenge?
They aim to strengthen local industries, provide financial aid to farmers, and attract more investment to Kolaka.
How do people in Kolaka expect the winning candidate to bring change?
People hope for better job opportunities, improved healthcare facilities, and more scholarship for students.
How do the two political groups address youth issue?
Both groups promise to create more job opportunities and improve the quality of education for the youth.
How did the debate between the candidates impact public opinion?
The debate helped people understand the candidates, programs, and decide which leaders aligns with their needs.
How did traditional leaders influence the election in Kolaka?
Traditional leaders advised people to vote wisely and supported peaceful campaign.
How do voters ensure and fair election in Kolaka?
Voters ensure fairness by reporting violations to the election committee and supporting transparent vote counting.
How do the two political groups handle public criticism?
They responded by organized open forums and explaining their policies to address public concerns.
How did women participate in the recent election in Kolaka?
Women participate actively as voters, campaigners, and even team leaders for some candidates.
How do the people of Kolaka hope to see change after the election?
They hope for better infrastructure, more accessible education, and improvements of public service.
How do candidates address environmental issues in Kolaka?
Okay, they propose plans to reforest damaged areas and improve waste management system.
Okay. How important is the unity of Kolaka after the election?
Unity is crucial to ensure that all groups can work together for the development of Kolaka. Okay, I take the topic of bullying. The first question is, how do I know if someone is being bullied at school?
They may look sad, not want to go to school or be alone a lot.
Okay, the second question is, how can I help a friend who is being bullied?
Support them by listening and offering to keep the company.
Okay, the third question is, how do you think bullying affects a person's feelings?
Bullying can make a person feel sad, scared, and insecure.
Okay, next question. How can students unite against bullying?
By supporting each other and reporting bullying to teachers.
Okay, how should we react if we someone being bullied?
Don't stay silent. Help the person being bullied or report it to a teacher.
Good answer. Next question is, how can school make sure everyone feels safe?
By making clear rules about bullying and teaching students to respect each other.
Okay. Next question is, how can parents help their children deal with bullying?
By talking openly and giving support to their child.
Okay. The next question is, how does talking about bullying in class help students?
It helps students understand the problem of bullying and how to deal with it.
How can we use kindness to stop bullying?
By being kind to everyone, we can create a more positive environment.
Okay. How can social media be used positively to prevent bullying?
By sharing positive message and supporting each other online.
The next question is, how do you think bullies feel about their actions?
Okay. They may feel powerful but could also feel lonely or unhappy.
Okay, the next question is, how can teachers encourage students to report bullying?
By creating a safe atmosphere and letting students know that reporting is important.
Okay, by create a safe atmosphere. Yeah? Next question is, how can games and activities promote friendship and reduce bullying?
By playing together, students can learn to work together and respect each other.
Okay, the next question is, how can stories or movies about bullying teach important lessons?
They show the bad effects of bullying and the importance of being kind.
Okay, and next question is, how can I create a supportive environment at home to discuss bullying?
By always listening to the child and talking about their feelings without judgment.
Okay, the next question is, how does being a good listener help someone who is being bullied?
It makes them feel valued and not alone in their problems.
Okay, the next question is, how can an art project raise awareness about bullying in school?
By drawing a picture or making a poster, students can express their feelings about bullying.
How can role-playing help students practice responding to bullying?
It gives them a chance to try out different ways of responding without any real risk.
Okay, and how can community even draw attention to the issue of bullying?
By organizing events, we can share information and support each other to stop bullying.
Okay, and the last question is, how can everyone contribute to making school a bully-free place?
By respecting each other, supporting friends, and reporting if you see bullying happening.
That was the question and answer session with the topic of politics in Kolaka and bully.
Sorry if there are any mistakes. That's
all from us. And last,
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Manis senyuman manis.